How to fix default background in Chrome. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can fix a default background in Chrome. So let's get started. So as you open Chrome, you'll be able to see a default background that is typically white or dark or any other color. But if you wish to set a picture as your default background, I've got you covered. You're going to click on Customize Chrome right here at the bottom right. So once you click on Customize Chrome, you'll be able to see various options right over here. So all you need to do is simply click on this appearance, and then here it would say upload an image, solid colors, rising artist, or some other pictures as well. So if you have any picture on your PC and you want to upload that, you can do that. But there are really cool wallpapers already right over here from numerous artists. So you're going to simply click on Rising Artist over here and you can see all of the artist wallpapers. You can also enable refresh daily so that new wallpapers can be added each day. And let's say you want to add this one. So here you can see that is basically how you can set default wallpaper on Chrome. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.